In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Google Docs. Copying tables is a really handy skill, especially if you're working on reports, assignments, or templates where you need the same layout more than once. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to copy a table, keep its formatting, and place it wherever you need in your document. First, open your Google Docs file and scroll to the table you want to copy. Make sure you can see the entire table on your screen. It helps to zoom out a little if the table is wide, so you don't accidentally miss a row or column when selecting. Next, move your mouse to the top left cell of the table. Click and hold, then drag all the way down to the bottom right cell. You should see the cells highlight as you drag. Take a moment to check that the entire table is selected. If you've only selected part of it, try again, starting from one corner and dragging to the opposite corner. Once the table is fully highlighted, you're ready to copy it. You can do this in a couple of ways. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. On a Mac, press Command+C. If you prefer using the menu, right-click on the selected table and choose Copy. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels most comfortable. Now scroll or move your cursor to where you want the copied table to appear. Click once to place the cursor on a blank line or just below some text. It's best to avoid placing it in the middle of another table or right next to an image, so the layout doesn't get messy. To paste the table, use the keyboard shortcut again. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press Command+V. You'll see an exact copy of your original table appear, including all the formatting, borders, and any text or data inside the cells. If the pasted table doesn't look quite right, you can adjust it just like any other table in Google Docs. You can add or remove rows and columns, change the text, or tweak the formatting without affecting the original table. And that's all there is to it. By carefully selecting, copying, and pasting, you can quickly duplicate tables in Google Docs and reuse your layouts wherever you need them.